I've got 30 minutes if you want to spill your mind.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having an amazing day. In today's video, I am going to be doing a vlog camera review or an unboxing for my new vlogging camera. I'm currently using the DJI Osmo Pocket 2. So I'm going to be doing footage samples. I'm going to be doing footage samples and then just inserting clips of the camera. I am also going to be doing an unboxing, so I will be inserting those clips. But I thought it'd be fun to take you guys with me. We're just going to go get lunch and then just try it out to see how it is. But so far it's really cute. Like, I really like it. This is not going to be like my main vlogging camera, but I would like to use this camera like if we're going out, or just it's very small and like very compact. So I don't know. Can't really see myself, but we'll see how it goes. And right now we're on our way to get ramen, so we'll see you guys once we get there. we're pretty much back home. I hope you guys liked today's video, and I was something a little bit different. I did a 2-in-1. So I did the unboxing, which is at the beginning, and then I also wanted to include some clips of the camera. I did not move much of the settings. I will write in the description down below what settings I put it in, but I just wanted to try out and see how it is. I'm honestly very excited to use this camera. I won't be replacing my main vlogging camera, but it just that it's cute, and honestly I feel like I can take this anywhere with me. And thank you guys for all the thank you all so much for all the love and support. Don't forget to like this video and also comment down below what's your favorite coffee shop in California and Orange County. I would definitely love to try a new coffee shop. And also don't forget to turn on notifications so you guys get notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video.